are roommates and partners. But today, they're going to battle it out. Who's the best in basketball game? Okay, before we start, I'm going to divide you into first the girls. All the girls, cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls. Sassy, Sassy. Alright, very good, girls. Now, boys. All the boys, cheer for Bandit. Come on, boys. Bandit, Bandit. Okay, very good, boys. Alright, let's do this. Trainers ready, first ready, ready, set, and go. Here comes Bandit in the first ball. 1 point for Bandit, 1 point for Sassy. Second ball, second score for Bandit, second score for Sassy. First ball, third score for Bandit, third score for Sassy. For the win. Alright, Bandit win. Okay, very good, Bandit. 1 point for boys. Trainer Elsa, what can you say about that?
Hold it. I want another race.
He wants another race.
Are you sure about that? You want Sassy to lose again?
Okay.
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
Okay, so what race do you have in mind?
Okay, one race.
I want a ring race.
So, what is a ring race?
First word you can drop the rings into the hole that passes into the winner. That is a ring race.
Okay, the ring race shall be. So, boys, are you ready? 1 point. So, come on, girls. Super Sassy to win this time, okay? So, we will be doing this once again. This time,